Welcome back, AZ Classic Cars Cheap. On this channel, we discuss the most brutal, unique, and of course, Prostreet monsters ready to shake up the streets and drag strips. From big block blowers, wide stances, to extreme builds at reasonable prices, it's all here. If you love muscle cars, drag cars, and Prostreet builds, you're in the right place.
It's dirty. Just being a driver.
One 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price $29.99. Located Smyrna, Tennessee. The 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a remarkable representation of American automotive design in the early 1980s, combining bold styling with a reputation for performance. This particular model, finished in a striking blue exterior with a contrasting black interior, showcases the sporty character that made the Camaro a favorite among enthusiasts. Equipped with a manual transmission, it emphasizes driver involvement, offering a more engaging and connected experience behind the wheel. Despite being driven extensively, with mileage reflecting its long history, the car remains in excellent condition and carries a clean title, a testament to its durability and careful ownership. The body is in good shape, and the vehicle has no significant damage, making it appealing both as a daily driver and as a collectible project. The Camaro's sharp lines, low stance, and aggressive proportions embody the spirit of the muscle car era. While its affordability compared to earlier classics makes it accessible to a wider audience, enthusiasts appreciate the 1983 Camaro not only for its nostalgic charm, but also for its potential to be restored or customized. Owning this car means embracing a piece of history that blends practicality with performance, ensuring it remains a standout choice among classic American coupes. 2. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price $4,200. Located Fredonia, Kentucky. The 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D is a striking example of early 1990s American muscle, blending bold styling with raw performance. This particular model features an automatic transmission and a vivid orange exterior paired with a charcoal interior, creating a sporty yet aggressive look. Under the hood, it boasts a built 350 engine with aluminum blueprint heads, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and headers, enhancing its power output and making it a true enthusiast project car. The 22-inch wheels add a modern touch to its classic design, giving it a commanding road presence. While it requires a distributor to be fully operational, the car remains in good shape and offers immense potential for restoration or customization. Collectors and hobbyists appreciate the RS trim for its balance of affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among Camaro fans. With a clean Tennessee title, this vehicle is ready for trade or sale, offering flexibility to buyers. Owning a 1991 Camaro RS means embracing a piece of Chevrolet's legacy, where muscle meets style in a package that continues to inspire admiration. It stands as a reminder of an era when cars were built to deliver excitement, individuality, and a sense of freedom. 3. 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Coupe. Price $6,850. Located Mounds, Illinois. The 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a classic personal luxury coupe that defined the mid-1970s automotive scene. Known for its long hood, sweeping lines, and elegant proportions, the Monte Carlo combined muscle car heritage with comfort and refinement. This particular example, finished in green both inside and out, showcases the bold styling choices of the decade. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth driving dynamics, while its V8 engine ensures reliable performance. The seller highlights numerous upgrades, including new tires, battery, engine, transmission, and starter, making it a mechanically refreshed vehicle ready for the road. Inside, features such as tilt steering and a factory AM/FM radio add to its nostalgic charm. With a clean title and no significant damage, this Monte Carlo represents a well-preserved survivor that continues to capture attention. Collectors value the 1975 model for its blend of style and practicality, offering both cruising comfort and classic appeal. Its affordability compared to rare muscle cars makes it accessible to enthusiasts seeking a vintage ride with character. Owning this Monte Carlo is about experiencing the elegance of 1970s design, where Chevrolet balanced performance with luxury in a way that remains timeless. 4. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price: $500. Located, Junction, Illinois. The 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a bold representation of mid-1980s American performance, carrying forward the Camaro's reputation for speed and style. The Z/28 trim was designed to deliver enhanced handling and aggressive looks, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. This particular example features an automatic transmission and an orange exterior, paired with a clean title and no significant damage. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a 5.3-liter engine and a 4L60E transmission source from a 2002 Silverado. Blending classic Camaro design with modern reliability, this swap enhances performance while ensuring parts availability, making it a practical yet exciting choice for collectors. The body remains in good condition, and the car runs and drives, offering immediate usability with potential for further customization. Enthusiasts admire the 1986 Z/28 for its sharp lines, sporty stance, and cultural significance during the muscle car revival of the 1980s. Affordable compared to earlier classics, it provides an accessible entry point into Camaro ownership. Owning this Z/28 means enjoying a piece of history that bridges past and present, embodying Chevrolet's commitment to performance and individuality. 5. 1959 Ford F-100 short bed. Price: $55,500. Located, Bloomington, Indiana. The 1959 Ford F-100 short bed is a classic American pickup that embodies durability and timeless design. This particular example features a black exterior with a matching black interior, creating a bold and rugged appearance. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 5.3 V8 LS engine, it blends vintage styling with modern performance upgrades. The truck sits on a Chevy frame, offering improved handling and reliability while retaining the iconic Ford body lines that collectors admire. Although it currently requires a fuel pump to be fully drivable, it runs well enough to be loaded onto a trailer, making it an excellent restoration project. The body shows minimal rust, with some paint flaking and minor cosmetic imperfections, but overall remains in good condition. Inside, power steering, brakes, and seats add comfort and usability, making this truck versatile for both restoration and customization. Enthusiasts value the 1959 F-100 for its rarity and potential, as it represents an era when trucks were built tough yet stylish. Owning this vehicle is about preserving a piece of history that continues to inspire admiration among collectors and hobbyists. With its clean title and solid foundation, this Ford F-100 stands as a desirable project ready to be brought back to life. 6. The 1972 Mercury Comet GT, offered at $12,500. As listed, this 1972 Mercury Comet GT is a solid, factory V8 example that runs and drives well. From the factory, this Comet GT came equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 and a desirable 5-lug setup, making it a great platform for cruising, light performance upgrades, or simply enjoying as a classic driver. The seller notes that the front end has been fully rebuilt and professionally aligned, helping the car track straight and drive confidently. The braking system has also been refreshed. While it still retains manual drum brakes on all 4 corners, everything has been serviced and is in working order. Recent mechanical updates include a new alternator, a new aluminum radiator, and a rebuilt carburetor, all contributing to reliable day-to-day drivability. Inside, the car has been updated with new carpet, giving the interior a cleaner look. The seller mentions that the headliner still needs to be replaced, leaving a small cosmetic task for the next owner. All exterior lights are reported to be in working condition. One of the standout features of this Comet GT is its rarity. The seller has a Marti report confirming this car as one of just 427 Comet GTs built for the 1972 model year, adding collectability and historical interest. The car is described as a good driver with decent paint, making it something you can enjoy immediately without worrying about perfection. Offered at $12,500, the seller may consider trades for older cars or trucks, with a preference toward Ford or Mopar vehicles, though older GM trades may also be considered. This Comet GT is located in Phelps County, Missouri, and represents a rare, affordable entry into classic Ford-based muscle with everyday usability. 7. The 1966 Chevy 2 Nova, priced at $30,000 to the owner. This 66 Nova Prostreet is powered by a 383 small block Chevy paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Power is delivered to a Ford 9 inches rear end with 3.73 gears. The car features an odometer attach and gauges, along with a roll bar and a custom-made rear seat fitted with seat belts. A fuel cell is mounted in the trunk. As listed, it rides on classic centerline Convo Pro wheels, finished in burgundy, with a black and gray interior. The seller notes that the car drives and runs as good as it looks. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and is offered at $30,000, or best reasonable offer. Located in Sedalia, Missouri. 8. The 1970 Buick LeSabre convertible, offered at $14,000. As listed, this 1970 Buick LeSabre convertible is a clean, classic full-size cruiser that combines comfort, originality, and open-top enjoyment. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, along with power steering and power brakes, making this LeSabre easy and enjoyable to drive. The car is also equipped with factory air conditioning, a highly desirable feature for a convertible of this era. One of the biggest highlights of this example is its condition. The seller emphasizes that the car is completely rust-free, which is increasingly rare for a 1970 convertible. The vehicle shows approximately 60,000 original miles, further supporting its status as a well-preserved classic rather than a worn-out project. To improve reliability and drivability, several recent maintenance items have been addressed. Updates include new wiper blades, a new distributor, fuel pump, all filters and spark plugs, while cylinders, shocks, front and rear light bulbs, and a service carburetor, along with additional small improvements. These updates help ensure the car is ready to be driven and enjoyed right away. The LeSabre convertible is known for its smooth ride, spacious interior, and timeless styling, making it an excellent choice for weekend cruising, local car shows, or simply enjoying classic American motoring with the top down. Offered at $14,000, this sale is cash only, with no trades considered. The vehicle is located in Ozark County, Missouri, and represents a great opportunity to own a rust-free, well-maintained classic Buick convertible at an accessible price point. 9. The 1975 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, offered at $20,000. As listed, this 1975 Chevrolet Corvette convertible is a sharp, classic C3 finished in eye-catching orange flame paint, paired with a black convertible top and a medium saddle deluxe leather interior. This color combination gives the car a true 1970s muscle-era look that stands out whether parked or cruising. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission, making this Corvette a more engaging and driver-focused example compared to automatic-equipped cars. The car is further enhanced by custom side-exit exhaust, giving it an aggressive sound and appearance that matches the Corvette's iconic styling. This example comes well equipped with power windows, power steering, and power brakes, helping maintain comfort and drivability. The radio is reported to be in working condition, and the sale also includes an auxiliary hardtop finished in black vinyl, adding versatility for different seasons and driving preferences. The seller states the car shows approximately 52,000 original miles, and importantly, Both the block and VIN numbers are matching, which adds to its authenticity and collectability. These details make it appealing not only as a driver, but also as a solid long-term classic. The only noted drawback is that the air conditioning is not currently working, which is fairly common for cars of this era and leaves room for future improvement if desired. Offered at $20,000. This 1975 Corvette convertible is located in Nebraska and represents a great opportunity to own a numbers-matching, manual transmission C3 Corvette with strong visual presence and classic appeal. 10. The 1962 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, priced at $65,000. Holy! As noted by the owner, this 62 Nova is a purpose-built drag-and-drive machine featuring a professionally constructed chassis by Sarmiento Fabrication and an A-arm front clip. Power comes from a 496 big block engine equipped with AFR heads, 13:1 compression, and Jezel rocker arms. The drivetrain includes a Dedimber-cased Powerglide transmission with a 1.76 first gear and trans brake, sending power to a Fab 9 rear housing with a 4.33 gear set, spool, and 40-spline axles. The rear suspension utilizes a 4-link setup, and the car rides on 14 by 32 slicks. The seller notes the car is certified with an 8.50 cage valid for another year. With the current engine combination, the Nova has reportedly run 9.69 seconds at 137 miles per hour, with additional fine-tuning still possible. Side trim for the car is included. However, it will need refinishing before installation. Offered at $65,000, this race-ready Chevy is located in Gilroy, California. 11. The 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe, offered at $27,000. As listed, this 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe is a serious street and strip build featuring a modern drivetrain and extensive performance upgrades throughout. Power comes from a Gen 4 5.3-liter LS-based V8 equipped with a Texas Speed camshaft, 862 cylinder heads with 660 springs, BTR pushrods, Morel lifters, and a Super Victor intake topped with a built 780 velocity race carburetor. Supporting hardware includes an ICT billet front accessory drive kit. The engine is backed by a Powerglide transmission with a stock case, 1.80 straight-cut planetary gear set, deep pan, and trans brake, paired with a TCI 3200 stall converter. Power is sent through an aluminum drive shaft to a 1967-style 12-bolt rear and fitted with aggressive 4.11 gears, a mini spool, Moser axles, and C-clip eliminators, along with aerospace components brakes. Cooling is handled by an aluminum 4-core radiator paired with Flexolite dual 14-inch electric fans, keeping temperatures in check during hard use. Suspension upgrades include stock front control arms with limiters, QA1 single adjustable shocks, a TRZ bump steer kit, and lower steering arms. The rear suspension features TRZ upper and lower control arms, a rear sway bar, and Moroso trick springs. Stock-style front disc brakes remain in place. The fuel system is race-ready, featuring a 20-gallon fuel cell, a MagnaFuel Quickstar 300 pump with -10 and ProFlow feed lines, a Holley Blue nitrous pump with -6 and lines, and a SpeedTech nitrous plate equipped with Edelbrock solenoids. Ignition is controlled by an MSD 601458X/24X ignition box with step retard designed for nitrous use, along with an Edelbrock 71900 progressive controller. Offered at $27,000, this well-sorted Buick Skylark is built to perform and ready for its next owner. The vehicle is located in Pearl River County and represents a strong opportunity to own a clean, LS-powered classic with true street and strip capability.